Hello everyone. So I hope you all are very well, and in this video I am going to tell you how to find the solution for an ODE by using the power series method. Okay, it's a very good topic, and if you have a very good and strong concept, then you can solve any question by using this power series method. Okay, and if you found this video helpful, then please like and subscribe my channel and also share with your friends. Okay, so let's see how to find it. Okay, so let's see how to find the solution for any ODE by using the power series method. Okay, so firstly, what is the power series method? Okay, so the power series method, you can say that for the solution you can write y is equal to summation of ar x की power r, where r is from 0 to infinite. Okay, when you will expand it, then what you will get? You will get a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube and dash 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 till infinite. Okay, so this is our power series. Okay, so our solution will be like in this form. Okay, so any ODE, if you are given any ordinary differential equation, if you are given, like it may be also of second order and it may be also of first order. Okay, so to understand it very properly and to clear your concept, let's see an example. Okay, so let's take an example, that is y double x y is equal to 0. We have to solve it by using what? By using the power series. Okay, so by using the power series, firstly let's assume that let solution is y is equal to what? a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus a4x to the power 4 and dash dash dash. Okay, so now by differentiating it one time, we get what? a1 plus 2 times a2x plus 3 times a3x square plus 4 times a4x to the power 3 and like this. Okay, now once again just differentiate it. Now y double dash will be what? 2 times a2, this will be 0 because it's a constant and differentiation of a constant is always 0. Okay, so here 12a4x square. Okay, so in this way you can also write it's a expand. Okay, now what we have to see here, y double dash, we have got y double dash, and here x into y. So in the y we multiplied by x, so xy will be what? Let's write xy. We have to just simplify simply multiply by x in this term. Okay, so xy will be what? a0 into x, a1x square plus a2x cube plus a3x to the power 4 plus a4x to the power 5. Okay, in this way simply. Now just writing this equation, y double dash plus xy is equal to 0. Now just put the value of y double dash and xy here. Okay, so I'm just putting the values from here. What you will get? 2 times a2 plus 6 times a3 into x plus 12 times a4x square and dash 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 something, just in the bracket, and xy terms is what? a0 x plus a1x square plus a2x cube plus a3x to the power 4, like this. Okay, so now just take common something like constant term one side and just taking the coefficient of x in one bracket like this. Okay, so here only इकलौता हमारा क्या है यहाँ पे a2. ओके, सो यहाँ पे इसका कोई कोफिशिएंट नहीं, लाइक नॉट इवन कोई भी x नहीं है. ओके, सो यहाँ पे 2a2 और x के कोफिशिएंट मेरा क्या हो जाएगा? यहाँ से x और यहाँ से, तो यहाँ पे 6 टाइम a3 प्लस a0 इंटू एक्स. अब एक्स स्क्वायर का कोफिशिएंट यहाँ से कितना आ रहा है? 12 टाइम्स a4 and from here square term. Okay, so a1 and just write x square. Okay, you can also write just x cube terms and x4. Okay, in this way. Okay, now here this is equal to 0. Okay, so just I'm simply one more thing, so here maybe also this may be equal to 0. Okay, so let's make it equal to 0. 6 times a cube plus a naught into x plus 12 times a4 plus a1x square, and there may be also something, but let's take it 0. Okay, so for this whole term to become 0, what should be there? There should be this must be 0, this must be 0, this must be 0, and again its other terms also should be 0. Okay, so on comparing the left hand side and right hand side, because we have to make left hand side 0. Why? Because in the right hand side everything is 0. Okay, so on comparing we can just simply write is that 2 times a2 is equal to 0. Okay, so from here a2 is equal to 0, and you can say that 6 times a3 plus a naught is equal to 0. So from here you can say that a3 is equal to minus of a naught by 6. Okay, now again you can write just 12 times a4 a1, which is equal to 0. Okay, now from here you can say that a4 is equal to minus a1 times 12. Okay, so in this way you can just write it. Okay, now other equations will be also formed if you will write for the more, like I have just written till x square, you can also write it till x cube, x4, like in this way. मेरा मोटिव क्या है, मैं बस समझाना चाहता हूँ, ठीक है? तो in this way you can do other things also. Okay, so our final equation was what? Our मीन्स हमने इनिशियली क्या एज्यूम किया था, लेट y इक्वल टू दिस. सो वो इक्वेशन लिखता हूँ, ए नॉट प्लस ए वन एक्स प्लस ए टू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस ए थ्री एक्स क्यूब. ओके, ऐसा ऐसा ऐसा. ओके, सो वन मोर टर्म, लेट्स राइट ए फोर एक्स टू द पावर 5. ठीक है, इन दिस वे. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट विल बी आवर answer. Okay, now in the value of a naught just put like a naught, and we got a1, just keep a1 as it is. Okay, why? Because we have to make all the terms like in the form of a naught and a1. Okay, and a2 is 0, so just this term will be 0, and a3 is what? A3 is minus a naught by 6. Okay, so minus a naught by 6 into x cube. Okay, and a4 is minus a1 by 12 into x to the power 4. Okay, so now you can see that here everything is like in a naught or a1, a naught or a1. Okay, so on comparing means on taking the common for a naught, you will get what? a1 का कोफिशिएंट यहाँ पे 1 है, और यहाँ पे x क्यूब डिवाइडेड बाई 6. ओके, एंड a1 का कोफिशिएंट यहाँ पे और भी हो सकता है, ठीक है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ये बहुत बढ़ी जाएगी ये सीरीज, सो यहाँ पे और भी हो सकता है. सो डैश 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 प्लस, अब यहाँ पे a1 का कोफिशिएंट कंपेयर करो, a1 यहाँ पे x आ गया, और माइनस ऑफ x टू द पावर 4 डिवाइडेड बाई 12, और यहाँ पे भी ऐसे कुछ भी हो सकता है. ठीक है, सो मेरा फाइनली y इक्वल टू कितना आ गया है? a नॉट इंटू 1 माइनस एक्स क्यूब डिवाइडेड बाई 6 प्लस समथिंग plus a1 times x minus x to the power 4 divided by 12 and dash dash dash. Okay, so this is our final answer. I mean, this is our final solution for the equation y double dash xy is equal to 0. Okay, for more accurate answer you can take more values here. Okay, now here you can just simply write it as y is equal to c1 y1 plus c2 y2. This is like the solution, like here a naught is c1 and here a1 is like c2, and this solution is, you can say that it is y1 and this is y2. Okay, so I'm just writing the final answer, that is a naught into 1 minus x cube divided by 6 plus a1 into x minus x to the power 4 divided by 12. Okay, actually this is not the exact answer because there may be some more values also here. Okay, So we have to solve it by using the power series method. So this is the process how you can solve the questions by using the power series method. Okay, so this was all about this question. Okay, we can also take some another example, like another example you can say y double dash plus y is equal to 0. Okay, now if we want to solve this question by using the power series method, then what you have to do, you have to again just simply assume that our solution will be like in this form. Let y is equal to a naught plus a1x plus a2x square. Okay, in this form. And again you have to differentiate at once, so you will get like this. And let's say this is, and 3 times a3x square. Okay, and you have to once more again differentiate, then you will get 2 times a2 plus 6 a3x, and like this. Okay, now again just you have to put this value and this value in it. Okay, and now just simplify and compare the coefficient, and you will get the answer like this. Okay, so this was all about this question. I hope you will understand, and if you have any query, any questions regarding this topic, you can ask in the comment box. Okay, so thank you.